If your notifications aren't working in Pipedrive, yeah, you might be missing important updates. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, go to your notification settings in Pipedrive and make sure notifications are actually turned on. Next, check your email notification preferences. Make sure the alerts you want are enabled. Now, check your browser or mobile app permissions. Notifications might be blocked at the system level. Make sure Do Not Disturb mode is turned off. Yeah, this can silently block all notifications. If you're missing email alerts, check your spam folder or filters because they might be blocking notifications. Finally, update the app or log out and back in. Sometimes it's just a sync issue that needs a quick refresh, and that's it. These steps should fix most notification issues in Pipedrive. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.